name is Hrafnhildur.
My name is Karolina.
My name is Fríða.
And we are the band Groa. The thing I enjoy about being in a band is, I really don't know. It's so many things. It's just like just getting the time to be playing with my best friends.
Yes.
I think that's just...
Yes, we are best friends.
Yeah. I think that's just one of the best things about it.
Yeah. And also making something, like work really hard at something, and then
have a chance to show.
Yeah, and you're really happy about it and excited to show someone.
It's very nice.
And this year we made a lot of new songs and played a lot more than I really thought we would do.
Yeah, that was very fun and we really enjoyed it.